If the Queen can have a speech on Christmas Day, so can I. Let's do this. Hey kid, how you doing? What the hell is that noise?
What noise?
Is that your computer?
Oh, that noise. I've kind of got used to it now. That's my stock cooler.
Sounds like you need the MSI Core Liquid S360 with its 2.4-inch IPS display, latest eTeknix 7th generation pump, LGA 1700 support, and MEG Silent Gale P12 fans. You can't hear it coming.
Sorry, what? Can't hear you over this stock cooler.
Click the link in the description below and get one today. Sounds like you need it. Get it? So first and foremost, it is Christmas Day. I mean, not at the time of filming this, but by the time you're actually watching this, it is Christmas Day, and I've got a whole host of notes, as you can see here, and just really want to go through a few things. So first and foremost, Merry Christmas, everyone. Hopefully your day is going to be full of happiness and joy, and hopefully you got them kind of all important computer components that you're actually after. I know it's been a very, very tricky year, especially when it comes to graphics cards, processors, and kind of everything in between, but hopefully someone out there has managed to get, you know, even if it's not the thing that you wanted, something maybe somewhat close. Now, there's a few things that I want to sort of talk through. Firstly, foremost is eTeknix as a whole. What has happened this year, where we are now, and so forth. We have grown at a just phenomenal rate, and I can only foresee 2022 getting even better. And we will actually be posting up a video closer to kind of New Year's where we will be going through sort of, you know, the products that really stood out for us in 2021, what we're expecting from 2022. And I'm sure you're going to agree, 2021, even though it was tricky to get hold of these components, there were some pretty spectacular launches with Intel Alder Lake 12th Gen, the Fractal Torrent case, and so many other kind of smaller products that maybe we, you know, take for granted from time to time. I know not everyone celebrates Christmas. I know not everyone is kind of into the whole Christmas thing. And I know some people do get potentially, you know, a little bit lonely and stuff over Christmas. So if you're not already joined onto our Discord, link is in the description below. I just want to let you know that there are some people on our Discord who are going to be about for the whole day today. They're going to be playing games, so maybe you fall under that bracket, or maybe you did actually get that shiny new graphics card that you were after and you just want to try it out and you want to play with some like-minded people. There are people on our Discord who are going to be playing games all day today, so definitely check it out. It's just an amazing place to be. So that is pretty much the whole of this video. I didn't really want to sort of, you know, go on rambling for ages and talking about products left, right and center. I'm going to reserve that one definitely for closer to New Year. Like I say, we will go through all of the products that really stood out to me. I'll be asking you guys on social media as well, what kind of products you were actually able to get this year. Were you even able to get a graphics card, or are you still hopelessly waiting? Obviously there is talk of new graphics cards coming out in 2022 from Nvidia, talking 3050, 3090 Ti, 3080 with more VRAM. There's a lot to go through, and obviously we have CES as well straight after New Year on the 4th of January. We're not going physically in the sense of actually getting on a plane and going to Las Vegas, which I'm so happy about because I cannot stand Las Vegas as a place. It is kind of the cesspit of America, I'd say. Obviously, some people would argue there's other areas, but you know, for me, I've been there every single year for pretty much the last kind of 10 to 12 years. Kind of sick of it a little bit, but that's not going to stop the brands from actually having some kind of digital experience. So we have actually had a few brands reach out to us already. We have got a few conference calls and everything lined up straight when we get back from the Christmas and New Year break, and potentially we'll be doing some content on kind of, you know, the announcements that are happening and sort of that sort of stuff. So definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of that cool new tech that's going to be coming in 2022. There you have it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know exactly what to do. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. Do you like the hat?